All right, right now it is a wet, cold, nasty day outside. The weather just changed this morning or last night. If you look out this window here, it is just rainy, cold, and nasty. Not that cold, I shouldn't say cold, it's cool outside, it's about 58, 60 degrees. But when it's wet and rainy, it just makes it a nasty day. So technically, I am done with the roosting bars. I'm happy with them. I patterned them off my other roosting bars in my other chicken coop. The only problem I'm seeing here is, yes, I polyurethane the wall. The poop shouldn't stick that bad. But this top roosting bar here is the one where the poop is going to hit back here the most. These two probably won't. So I'm thinking of taking this roosting bar, moving it out another 3.5, 4 inches. This one out just a little bit more to kind of compensate, make it look even. And then here, I bought some white tile board. It's got that really slippery, smooth finish on there. I know it's white and the poop's going to look really nasty on it, but I don't think the poop's going to stick to it that well because it's very smooth finish on it. So I'm thinking about putting that white tile board on here. It's going to be, they're 4x8 sheets, so I'm going to have one sheet here, another sheet here, and then I'll have another piece right here. I just got to take some measurements for the 2x4 cutouts here, there, and over there, and this one here, of course. So we'll see how that works. I think the poop won't stick to it, and it'll be a little easier to clean in the future too. All right, so we're going to do that next. Well, now I am officially done. I hope this really works out good. You know, this stuff is just, they call it tile board, but it's like a pressed paper, really what it is. It's like a really fine sawdust that's been compressed, but they have this coating on there. It's a really smooth, kind of like it's not painted so much, but kind of like an enamel type paint. I don't know what it is, but it's smooth, it's slippery, and I'm hoping the poop don't stick to it. In the event it's not going to work out and this stuff starts to warp or something because of the moisture, the humidity, it's easy enough to change out. It's not a big deal, but we'll see. See if it works. Even if I see it having a little bit of a problem, I can always put that plastic stuff right over this stuff here. But essentially it's done. The only thing I had to do is I moved this board out another 4 inches. This one another 2. So this board here is a 45-degree angle, in case you want to know what it is. I intentionally wanted to do it 45 degrees. But now because I had to bring this one out 4 inches and this one's 2, it's a little more like this. So, but it's okay. I don't think the chickens will mind, to tell you the truth. And if they complain about it, I'll let you know. But yeah, I think it'll be just fine, and I'll be able to roost a lot of birds on here, quite a few. Like I said earlier, this way of doing the roost bars is the way I did my other coop. It's been working out fine. I know a lot of people say you shouldn't have it flat, and then I see people saying no, it's better flat, or put the boards this way where the birds can wrap their foot around here. You know what, it's pretty much split 50-50 as far as I'm concerned. Like I said, I have had no problems with my chickens being flat here. Round, if you do it round, I would do it big enough, not small, but big enough to where they can, their feet are on there comfortably, not all crunched up. Because remember, chickens don't hang out in branches all the time like birds do. Birds are different, they grip. You know, chickens aren't that way. Yeah, they'll get on a branch when they sleep, but they don't spend the majority of their time up on branches like birds do, you know, flying birds. You know, chickens don't do that. So being flat, especially if you're in a very cold climate, not here so much, but if you're up north and it's cold, we're talking, you know, sub-zero weather and stuff, with their chickens being flat-footed on the roost bar, they can lay right on their feet and keep their feet warm that way. So personally, I like the board being flat like this and not up this way where it's thinner, where their toes can hang off the board, or round where that same thing happens and they can't quite cover their feet up when it's really cold. So anyways, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some ideas off of this. And again, you can make this as big and as small as you want. I didn't want to go, I was going to make it higher, but I'm afraid they're going to start getting up into here, up into my rafter area here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. There is a small ledge on there, a couple inches. If they start hanging out up here, or even up here for that matter, I'm going to have to put some chicken wire there. But this is good enough for them. This is just fine. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.